Mario, follow me guys, share my live. Also support me for me to reach the second star and that 100k cutie. What's that? The fight between two chickens. The red sa pula and the wala. Do you know that? Excellent work, hi. Maki, hi Maki. What? Dark Angel 29. Good afternoon. Hi, Chris. Bandido. Hi, Bandido. Thanks for tapping. Follow me guys, share my live. Also support me for me to reach the second star. Lipa. I'm from Lipa. Support me guys for me to reach the second star. No, it's far from here. Why? Agila. One kiss and a ta-na-na-na. Sazin. Lobat na. Lobat na ako. What should I do? I will charge it. Yeah, I'm a pure Filipino. How about you? Gary Lopez, Jan Season. BMW, hi. Oh, half Japanese, half Filipino. So you can speak Filipino. Jamal. Because if you can, we should speak in Filipino because it's so hard to speak in English. Like pu tat. Why only the bad words? Exactly. Alex Bantugon. Joel learned it from friends. Where are you now? In Japan or here in Philippines? Follow me guys, share my live. California. Also support me for me to reach the second star.